Hi. Busy bees? Do you want to read your busy bees? We were watching you. We were filming you. Can I fix your crazy hair? You show everybody your book? Yeah, I love reading books. Yeah, book. Yeah, that's sign for book. More. More. Please. Books, please. Okay. Time to go read more books. Say bye-bye. Say bye, everyone. Bye. I'm gonna go read books. Books. There. Good job, Sunshine. Bye.